Hi everyone, it's Miss Brenner. I'm here to talk to you about part 2 of the Author's Purpose project. So for this project, you should already have your Google site created. That means that it is saved in your Google Drive and is titled in your Google Drive with your first initial, last name, and then Author's Purpose project. You should have your Article 1 completed. So we can move down to Article 2, which is your To Inform article. This means that you are going to create an informative article which should offer the reader an unbiased perspective on the life and achievements of the author of your silent reading book. You're going to gather viable information to support your writing when creating an article to praise the talents of the book's author. Include story details to pair with the author's life, goals, and achievements to show what you feel makes this author great. So this article should be a minimum of 20 sentences and include an introduction, body paragraphs, and a conclusion. Have an eye-catching title as well as date and author, and you would be the author of that article. This article should be typed in 12-point font, Times New Roman, and double-spaced. Include an image that represents the content of your article in a location that will attract the reader's attention. Make sure to cite any information that is not originally your own idea, such as a paraphrased, quoted, or summarized information from your silent reading book, so the proper credit is awarded to the book's author. You will need to include a minimum of 2 citations that is not the silent reading book. So that means that you're going to need to complete research on your author. So maybe your author won some awards, maybe your author has published other popular books, maybe your author has done interviews, maybe your author is an avid reader themselves and has some book suggestions. So you need to include a minimum of 2 citations of support information that you gathered to also use in your article. So remember, that means that for this article alone, there would be 3 citations. It would be the silent reading book and the 2 citations from the 2 research resources that you are using to support your writing in this article. Alrighty, if you have any questions for me, please feel free to send me an email or ask me in class. I would be happy to answer any questions that you have about Google formatting, about the project, or about your book in general. I hope that you guys have a great day, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.